Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm here to talk about this kaeso pedicure collection. So all you can get from this collection is right here in the pictures, and I'm also going to talk about how you can able to use it step by step on your own house, especially this lockdown. So instead of you going to salon and all that, you can treat yourself with this pedicure right in your own house. So I'm talking about this pedicure right collection right here in this picture. So and I'm also going to show you how you can able to use it step by step. So now we're starting by using the foot spray. You can use the tea tree foot spray, or you can use the hydrogen foot spray that is right here. So as long as you go using doing this treatment, you have to continue spraying your foot with this spray. Here is a foot soak. You use it to soak your feet. After then you leave it for a few minutes. Then you use the foot scrub and scrub your feet. After scrubbing it, clean it out with water. Then you start with the foot marks. After the foot marks, leave the foot marks for a few minutes. Wrap it with a towel. After wrapping it with the towel, leave it for a few minutes. Then you take it out before you use your foot lotion. So that's all I have to say about this pedicure. Please do not forget to subscribe. Bye.